Hey everybody, how's it going? This is John with J.Racenstein. I'm here today to talk about our product that we have available to us exclusively from RHG. It's called the Smartwash. It is a one-batch soft washing system for your roof and siding needs. A couple features I'm going to go through with you real quick. First, 50-gallon tank with a removable cap that's affixed to it, so you don't have to worry about losing it. What we have here is your inlet and air gap for your water source, so you can fill it up from there. You can either put your bleach in here if you're out in the field and you have portable totes, or if you have a larger tank, you can see here, in conjunction with your pump, you can siphon from that source. So that makes filling up quite easy. 12-volt deep cycle battery is necessary to power the pump. That is not included. Again, back to the pump. 5.3 gallon per minute, so it's got a good amount of power. You got yourself an accumulator tank. What that does, it helps the flow stay smooth, and so it doesn't like spit or burp as you're spraying up there. So get it more effective and keep your stream more streamlined, as they say. Also here with this valve, this either sends the solution up to the roof through the hose reel, or it recirculates if you're not going to be operation for a little while. A lot of people wonder why you would choose this system over some other ones out there. One of the main advantages is you get like a heavy-duty system here for a very affordable price, about $3,000. You can get this particular unit, and you're in the heavy-duty soft washing business. Some of the other systems out there that blend for you cost thousands more, so a lot of times you're starting off behind. At least with this machine, lay out $3,000, and you can make your money back very quickly, and not have to worry about payments. So that's one of the advantages of this machine. Another is again, that powerful pump. It'll shoot 30 to 40 feet, and you got high work. It'll out of a basket, you can go up about 5 stories with this, and it'll still throw the solution about 20 feet. So you get some good coverage. So you get a heavy-duty machine for a very affordable price. Thanks for checking out J.Racenstein.